Slama Amuhon Shuvuha Lak Maran Isum Siha. Slama means peace. Amuhon means with you. Therefore, Slama Amuhon refers to peace be with you. Shuvuha means praise. Maran means our Maria or Lord. Therefore, Shuvuha Lag Maran Isum Siha is translated as praise to you, our Lord Isum Siha. The risen Isum Siha bears the new name Slama, that is peace. When the risen Isum Siha appeared before his Shlihi or apostles, he described himself and blessed them with this greeting, Slama Amuhon. Those who firmly believe in the risen Isum Siha, who is eternal Slama or peace, will be able to endure and remain steadfast until the end, even if severe suffering comes upon them. Let us strive to persevere until the end in faith in the risen Isum Siha, so that we may abide in him who is eternal Slama or eternal peace. The risen Isum Siha is with us. If we keep his commandments, the risen Isu will remain with us. The risen Isu will not abandon us. May there always be Shuvuha or praise to the risen Isum Siha, who is eternal Slama. Slama Amuhon Shuvuha Lag Maran Isum Siha. Mars Fliva, there are code 736.